Thinking about move to Thailand and have a condo here? Sounds like a good idea. But you might not usually sure that what usually comes with renting a condo in Thailand, right? Well, they already includes electricity, water, and fully furnished. But what's so special about it? First off, let me tell you about the electricity and water costs for this year in 2023. For the electricity cost would be between 1,500 until 2,500 per month. And then for water costs would be a lot cheaper, like 100 to 500 baht per month. It's very cheap, right? And not only just cheap price that I'm gonna talk about, but it's about how super easy paying method it is. For example, you can go down and check the mailbox. They will send you every month that how much your electricity will cost. Then you take the bill, go to 7-Eleven nearby you. That's it. That's how you pay the bills. You can pay it in cash or do it online with your credit card. And for the water bill, you can just pay at the condo office. Kind of easy, right? And for those who want to save the money and don't want to spend much to pay for electricity costs, I have the tips for you today. So what you can do is use a fan instead of the air conditioning, because the more you use a lot of air conditioning here, it will cost a lot of electricity. Because here is like tropical area and it tends to be higher cost when it comes in May and April because it's super hot. So if you can handle the hotness, since you might live here for a long time, who knows? So you can use that also. Now, let's talk about furniture. So if you rent a condo here more than 6 months, they will give you fully furniture. For example, refrigerator, bed, a cozy sofa in living room, maybe microwave and television. And for some of you who plan to work from home or work remote in the room, you can do that also. And I bet you want a good quality of the working desk and table. If you want something like that, you can order online like Shopee, Lazada, or you want a better quality of furniture, you can order via IKEA, Home Pro, and Central. It has online platform though, so it's available now. However, even the condo in Bangkok offer you the furniture and such a fantastic deal like this, but there are something that advisable for you to purchase. For example, you can buy yourself a bed sheets, blanket, and pillow for your own personalization and your own comforts. But actually, each step of installing internet is very easy. All you have to do is contact the service provider, and then you can go to the mall. Most malls have it, like the service that you can tell them what package you want, and then they will come to your room, set it up for you, and then just wait for the few days only. And there are English speaking stuff, so you don't need to worry, and it's even more helpful for you. Therefore, my only question to you is, are you still looking for a condo and watching this and still not sure which one is the best for you? Well, we've got you covered because we can find an exceptional deals for you actually like within few days. So why not check out our channel, and the link is in the description below. Let us provide the most suitable rental option for you to suit your lifestyle the most and make your stay in Thailand memorable. Well, it's time for me to go now, but next time I'll show you around the good condos in Bangkok. But where is it gonna be? Stay tuned and see you next video. Bye bye! สวัสดีค่ะ